Hola chicos y chicas de Español 4. Es el último mensaje del año y es una forma de despedirme de ustedes y decirles cuánto me ha gustado tenerlos en clase durante todo el año y para comentar sobre mis memorias de ustedes, mis memorias favoritas del año. Um, y para que ustedes también comenten sobre tus memorias y despedirse de todos. So in the discussion below, just say goodbye to everyone, despedirte, and also write down one of your favorite memories of class. So for example, some of my favorite memories would include definitely all of the fun projects we've done. Day of the Dead, which, by the way, I was in the classroom yesterday cleaning up and I packed those all up. So I wasn't sure whose was whose exactly. I just stuffed it all in my closet. So at the end of, well, not the end, you guys can't come in, but next year when we do go back to school, you'll be able to pick some of those things up. So I think I kept everything kind of organized so we can take any of those things like the candles and things like that that you'd like. But definitely just in class having some time to really get to know you guys even better. You've had me for 3 years, so you guys have been great sticking with me all this time, and I'm going to miss you a lot. So if you're in Spanish 5 next year, that's awesome, and I'll be in touch with you that way. And if you're not, don't forget to come and visit me or say something over the next year so that I don't lose touch with you. So the choice activity this week is if you're caught up, awesome. And I say that the last movie we would have watched in class is on Netflix, and it's called Even the Rain, and I highly recommend it. It's a really good movie. Talks about human rights issues in Latin America, modern day human rights issues. Even the Rain, wow. And it's right here. And it's in Spanish with subtitles. It's got Gael Garcia Bernal, he played Che in the Motorcycle Diaries. So guys know I like him. But in the movie, it's quite interesting how it juxtaposes the issues of modern day indigenous people and of the conquest. So you'll see that the roots of the problem are created by conquest and haven't really changed much. So kind of like what we're experiencing today with everything that's going on, you can see that the root of the issue in this case is the conquest and enslaving people. So enjoy that movie if you want to. There's no written assignment. Just enjoy it. And if you want to comment, I would welcome your comments. So please email me if you watch it and want to talk about it, or just watch it and think about it. And if you're not caught up, definitely you can watch this movie too. But try to catch up and prioritize by doing that letter. I just mailed those letters out from my students from 10 years ago. And I know it seems like a long time, but it really isn't. 10 years flies. So please try to get those to me. That would be your first priority if you're not caught up. Okay, so les extraño. I miss you. I have seen a few of you. I don't know if you've seen me, but I've seen you out and about. See, I think I saw James and I saw Julia. We were all at an event. They might not have seen me because everybody was wearing masks. And I saw Chelsea walking one day. I honked at her. I don't know if she knew who it was. And so those were high points of my day, seeing you guys. Just, it's hard to say goodbye, so I'm babbling. But remember, I'm always around, so you can always email me, or when we do go back to school, come and see me. Y que tengan un verano excelente. Have a great summer. And cuídense mucho. Take care. Adiós.